Hi guys, happy Monday. So I wanted to grease my scalp today with this green Dax, but I just read it. It has vegetable oils and it has lanolin in it. I'm not using lano on my locks right now. So I just have to go in the house and go get my other Dax, my black Dax. My black Dax doesn't have lano in it. And in case you want to know why I'm not going to put lanolin in my hair, it's because it weighs down your hair, and my hair is heavy already, and I don't want my hair to feel like heavy bricks. And we all know that Blue Magic hair grease is heavy. So if you're wondering what this little girl is, this is my baby Loc, and she just had a bath, and so now she is sticking out and saying she don't want to act right. But guys, I'm in my backyard. It's a beautiful day. It's like 90 degrees, I guess, something like that, 85, 90 degrees. And it's 5:30 or 6 o'clock in the evening. I need my hair to dry. So I wanted to come out here on my scalp, out here in this nice, warm, humid air, and that's the wrong grease. And I don't feel like going upstairs and get my regular grease. So you guys know, a lot of you guys know I'm a greasy baby, so I got a lot of grease upstairs. But I can only use one, which is my black Dax. So let me show you guys what my hair looks like. Well, let me show you what clean locks look like. Clean locks look good when they're freshly washed, or when they're not, you know, they just look good. They look good when they're freshly washed, and when they're dry. Hope you guys can see that. I don't know, you know, with Canon cameras, once your face turns away, because the Canon follows your face, once you turn away, the screen goes dark. So I hope you were able to see it. And you're probably saying, why you got on all black? Because this is what I found in my laundry room. I'm in the basement. Okay, baby, look, I ain't come out here with nothing on, because I will, honey. So my hair is like halfway dry. So for those who are new to my channel, I started my locks with bra strap length natural loose hair back in July 4th, 2021. So today is July 14th, I think, 2025. So my locks are officially 4 years old, and they're considered to be in the mature stage. Guys, when I tell you, I never thought that my hair will ever get to the mature stage. So there are different stages to locks. So I already knew about the baby locks. So like this baby right here, she's brand new, so she's a baby Loc. And then there's teenager locks. I love the teenager stage. My locks were just acting bad. They was swelling up, and they were trying to condense, and they were just doing their own thing. And then I think there's another, I guess it's the mature locks. I don't know the years of them. I don't know if it's from year 1 to year 2, they are baby locks, and then from year 2 to 3, they are teenager locks, and then 3 to 4 years, I guess they are mature locks. That's where I am. I just turned 4 years old. And then there are the old school. I can't think of the fourth, the fourth level, the fourth tier. I think those are the grown folks locks. See, my babies, they still young, because the ends are not fully locked. I don't know if you guys can see. I still have a lot of curly ends. And this is what happens when you start your locks with long hair. They take a long time to mature. So I really do still like my curly ends. I know that I got still some loose hair somewhere in my hair. So I know that doesn't make any sense. But guys, when I tell you, I love my hair. I love my hair so much. And I don't get compliments on my locks too much. And I don't care. Man, these things are long. I'm looking like Pocahontas on the short side. But they are growing so fast. I gotta get on my tippy toes. Woo-hoo-hoo. That third year, guys, my Second year, my first and second year, they didn't really do too much. But once they hit that third year, like the third year, between 3 and 3.5 years, my hair just started taking off. So I don't know what stage that is when they start growing real fast like that. But baby, they are taking off like crazy. I don't retwist my hair that often. I wanted to retwist today, and I want to start retwisting more often. I keep saying that, but I'm not doing it. So I retwisted my hair in March 29th or 25th or 19th of 2025, and then I retwist again probably late August, early September. So I retwist twice a year. I'm considered what you call semi-rasta, and yeah, that's why they're so thick and healthy, because I don't mess with my hair that much. I don't do styles like the 2-strand twist and the updos. I don't do much to my hair, although I want to. Although I do want to, but I wouldn't trade my hair in for loose natural hair for nothing in the world. Maybe I'll change my mind in the future, which I seriously doubt. I'm like, well, Nezi, what you gonna do with all them wigs you got here? What you gonna? Hey, who making all that noise? Who making all that noise out there like that? I wouldn't trade my hair extensions for this, because I got the hair extensions. My hair is long on this. Girl, what you talking about? Extend what? There's no need to put extensions in. I just love it. I love this journey. It was so easy for me. So again, if you're new to my channel, I started my locks. I'm 55 now, so I started my locks twice before in my early 30s. And sure enough, within 6 or 7 weeks, I combed those starter twists out, my starter locks out, and I just wasn't ready. But when I retired from my job in 2021, baby, I was ready. Easy. This was an easy journey for me. Went through the ugly stage, all that. Didn't care about no ugly stage. Didn't care about no ugly stage. So I'm nice and moisturized and greasy. But yeah, guys, I wanted to stop in and show you my pretty hair. I wanted to grease my scalp, but that ain't gonna work. So I'm just gonna let my hair air dry and put my moisturizer in. I should have brought out my shampoo. Alright, stand by. Alright, guys. Nico's trying to come out. So, here's my shampoo I use. This is the Herbal Essence Hydrate Coconut Water. And it has a little bit of mineral oil in it. I like Herbal Essence shampoos because they don't be having a lot of stuff in it, like no what's it called, no parabens, and it's cruelty free, and it's all got good stuff in here. Now you probably wonder, why is it so watery? So the shampoo is so thick to where I'm like, I want it to come out a little bit easier, so I put a little bit of water in here, but it's clear. My other favorite shampoo is the Herbal Essence Naked Grapefruit and Mimosa Mint, and they have that's an old bottle before the tariffs came out, but they don't make those bottles this big anymore. And I think if they did, let me take it back, that I remember, if they did, I think you're gonna pay a lot of money for them. So I got this before the tariffs and all the craziness, and I can't remember how much it costs, $13 or something, but it gets my hair extremely clean. It can get it streaky clean if I wanted to. Do I use conditioners like a washout conditioner? No, I do not. I only use leave-in conditioners. I don't put anything like that in my hair, like something heavy, like creams and butters and a lot of gel. I do use gel around my edges though. I actually went out Friday and I did use some gel to put my little short hair into my locks. They look cute. But this is good to wash out gel and gooky stuff, but it leaves my hair light. So move a little, mosquito. Where'd go my neighbor? So the conditioner that I do use are leave-in conditioners. Something watery and creamy. Watery and liquidy. I don't use creamy, thick stuff. Alright? So, oh, let me tell you guys this. I haven't been using a lot of products in my hair lately because, like I said, my hair is growing out and it's starting to get heavy. And when I was using all that rose water in there and the grease, a little bit of grease, it didn't really make that. Well, the combination with the grease and all that rose water and the leave-in conditioners, all that stuff, was starting to weigh my hair down, which made my head be like, ugh. So I don't use a lot of products like I used to. I wasn't using a lot of products anyway, but I don't use so much stuff to weigh my hair down because as they get longer, they get heavier. Especially thick locks. Thick locks have a little bit of weight on them. And I shampooed my hair today. I looked at my, well, I stand in the shower and shampoo my hair. And I looked at the suds in the shower. Well, wasn't hardly that much dirt in my suds because I don't use that much products. And I haven't shampooed my hair since June. I think early part of June. Yep, early part of June, I think. And I was just amazed that my shampoo suds was not that dirty. So I'm not one of those ones that have to have detoxes and stuff and a bunch of using Dawn shampoo to wash the stuff out because I don't put all that stuff in my hair in the first place. Look at my neighbor. Look at my neighbor. Whoop. He look at me like, what's she doing? Don't worry about what I'm doing over here. She probably saying she ain't got on no bra because I got on my pajamas. I do. My pajamas come all the way down here. Alright guys, so that is it. I wanted to show you my beautiful hair. I love my beads. I'm ready to switch them out though, but I just love how these chunky wooden beads look on my dark locks. And no, I don't dye my hair. I don't add color to my hair. So yeah. Alright. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Make sure you subscribe and like if you like this video. It's very, very plain. Nothing spectacular. And comment, share. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.